A Solitaire Cache weekly challenge can stop tracking even when your games are still counting normally, so the first thing to check is whether the challenge itself is updating after a completed game. By the end, you'll know what to check when the weekly challenge stays at the same progress, shows incomplete results, or fails to recognize qualifying games. Start by opening Solitaire Cache and checking the weekly challenge before playing another match. Look at the exact requirement and compare it with the game you're about to play. If the challenge requires a particular game type or action, completing a different type of match may not increase the challenge progress. Next, completely close Solitaire Cache and reopen it. On Android, open Recent Apps and swipe Solitaire Cache away. On iPhone, open the App Switcher and remove Solitaire Cache before launching it again. Then check the weekly challenge to see whether the progress has refreshed. Your internet connection can also affect information that needs to sync with your account. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data and check the challenge again. If you're using mobile data, try Wi-Fi instead. The goal is to determine whether the progress problem follows the connection. Then check whether Solitaire Cache has an available update. Open the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone, search for Solitaire Cache, and install an available update. An outdated app can display account information differently from the current version. If you're using Android, you can also clear the Solitaire cache. Open Settings, select Apps, choose Solitaire Cache, open Storage, and select Clear Cache. Avoid selecting Clear Data unless you know what information will be removed, and you have your login details available. If the weekly challenge is still not tracking, check whether other account information is updating correctly. If your games, balance, and other features work, while only the weekly challenge remains unchanged, the issue may be limited to the challenge rather than your entire account. Keep a record of the challenge requirement, the games you completed, and the progress shown afterward. A screenshot of the challenge screen can also help if you need to contact Solitaire Cache support. Don't repeatedly replay the same games just to force the counter to move. First, confirm that the game you're completing qualifies for the challenge, and that the app is displaying current account data. So the order is simple. Verify the challenge requirement, restart Solitaire Cache, switch networks, update the app, clear the Android cache if applicable, and contact support if the challenge still refuses to track qualifying activity. If this fixed your weekly challenge, like the video, and subscribe for more Solitaire Cache troubleshooting guides.